that was
this
the bottom.
is the piece that almost hit you right here.
Oh, that's the piece that almost got me over here, yeah. Holy shit, yeah, if that did hit me. Wow.
Yeah, throw that. Let's
Look at that. Oh my god.
Leave it there. Leave it where it was.
Oh, sorry. Look at the back of that though. I mean, the way it just like...
And blew it apart.
Fucking so gnarly.
Shredded.
Holy shit.
There's a hole in the ground. Wow, look at the hole in that.
Wow. That is a hole in the ground. Look at the front. The whole front fucking...
Blew a trail. Look at that piece blew that way too, all the way back in the bushes.
Holy shit. Look at that.
That's a back trail.
Oh my god, a burn trail the whole way. Gnarly.
Oh, and this is some glass back here.
Yeah, don't step over there. There's definitely going to be... Oh, that right there. Watch your foot.